Samsung fans, get ready. Some exciting updates are coming your way. The long-awaited One UI 7 update, based on Android 15, is finally rolling out to more Galaxy phones soon, including the popular Galaxy S23 series. Here's everything you need to know based on Samsung's official information. Samsung Vietnam has confirmed that the stable One UI 7 update will start rolling out on April 14, 2025 for several flagship models. This first batch includes the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, and Galaxy Z Flip 5. But that's just the beginning. Samsung has also shared a full rollout schedule. More devices will get the update in the following days. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is set to receive One UI 7 on April 23, 2025. Then on April 24, the update will reach more phones like the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, Galaxy S21 series including the S21 Fan Edition, Galaxy Z Fold 4, and Galaxy Z Flip 4. After that, on April 28, the Galaxy S22 series, Galaxy Z Fold 3, and Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be getting the update too. Samsung also plans to bring One UI 7 to older and mid-range Galaxy phones later on, but the exact dates for those models haven't been shared yet. Including the Galaxy S23 series in the first phase of the update is great news for its users. Even though it launched in 2023, the S23 is still a very powerful phone, and this new update will help it stay just as fresh and capable as newer models like the S24 and S25. Also, here's the complete list of all the eligible devices. Which Samsung device are you currently using? Also, are you excited for the One UI 7 update? Let me know in the comments section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.